Gardo Versosa. I'm in Oslo, Norway. Nice. 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 Diba? Nice. Parang ako lang ang hindi nice. Joke. Good morning. Water. Karap yung sila George Opera House, Mons Museum at ang ulan. It's my mini double room. So, ang liit lang niya. Bathroom. Not bad. Hello. And, maliit lang talaga siya. Pero, good for me. Yan lang. TV. May extra space sa baba for luggage. Walang view. Building. Yeah, building. Not bad. Not bad. Kuwat pangit, kangarag, kakapoy, ognaw. Sige na lang. I don't know what's this. I'm just roaming around. Here. Let me check. I don't know what's this. Palace? Something like that. Nice. Pretty. I took a nap kasi wala ako sleep. So, yun. Thank God, nakanap. Nice. Amazing. Oslo, Norway. So, we're in the Royal Palace. Here's the Royal Palace. So, feeling ko, ang European country is mga royals. Diba? I mean, kasi most of them may mga palace, may mga ganon. Or baka yung mga labanan ng mga king and queen na magkuha ng mga lugar nila, mag-agawan. Diba? It's 8 in the evening, hindi obvious. Pero, may ano pa, may araw. Tsaka medyo chilly. Gusto ko sana bumili ng jacket kanina. Kaya lang, dami ko ng jacket. Afford naman. Pero yun nga, ang dami ng jacket. So we'll see, baka bukas. So next day, bibili. I don't know. Remembrance? What do you think? Good morning, good morning. I'm in here. I'm going to a cruise. Renovate pa yan. So yeah, let's see. Late ako nagising kasi pagod na pagod ang katawan ko. Wala.
With the tide and wind, offering changing experiences through reflections from the water and its transparent surfaces. It is a three-dimensional interpretation of the 19th century painting The Sea of Ice by German artist Caspar David Friedrich. Harold the Hard Ruler, around the year 1000 AD. In the Ekeberg area, there are several graves, some dating back to the Bronze Age. The roof is open to the public, and taking a walk on top of the building has become a popular activity. it is possible to take a guided tour through some of its 1,100 rooms, eat at one of its 2 restaurants, and of course, off of the island, you can visit the ruins of a Cistercian monastery and wanted to establish a monastery here in Norway. They were very wealthy and became the biggest landowners in the inner Oslofjord.
We're in the fortress. This is a area for the royal residents to protect them from their enemies. Amazing. This is the view.
Alla har krigat mot Danmark, det är så gammalt.
I'm grateful, I'm thankful, I'm blessed. Thank you, Lord. Amazing. May hangin. Yun ang gusto ko. Sunny pero may hangin. Going to the park now. Para siyang ano, park sa Baguio. Diba? Pag ganun, papunta dun, parang Luneta, parang park sa Baguio. Mines View Park, parang ganun. Or yung isang park. The park. Let's go explore the park. Professional fountain. Ako kayo siya nga fountain. Oh, ka cute. Sa baby sa tunga. Oh, yeah. Amazing. Kung sino mang may gawa nito. Amazing. Super. Parang family oriented, love oriented, yung love care, no? Partnership, family, commitment, something like that. Nice. Good. Nice, nice. Very nice. Like it. Yan o. Pati yan. My art. Super nice. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. So, ito na park, isikat kay Vigiland. Gustav na sculpture. Many sculpture. Ito ang Wheel of Life. Nice. Amazing. Kung given na chance, gusto siya mamit. No? Ano yung takbo ng mind niya at naka-build siya ng ganito. Diba? So nice.
Good yes, I hope so. Yes. Pour our heart and soul in it.